Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales coming at you with another 5 things I love about this trailer. Today we are doing the 2022 Imagine XLS 17 MKE. And you're probably wondering why I'm on this side of the trailer. I usually start my videos on the front end. Well, the 3 things I like most about this trailer happen to be on this side. Now we touched on a couple things with the convenience station. One of the things I want to get into with this one is some of the features that it provides to you and some of the benefits that you'll have from it. So we see the convenience station here actually has a water station on this one, so you have this detachable hose that you can hook up to it. You've got a battery disconnect, you've got a light switch here, you've got a spot to fill your water, you can do your winterization. There's a plug here, and there's also a spot to run your cable or satellite line into the unit if you find a campground that has such a feature. And you can run all that up right here through this port so that everything stays nice and clean and you can keep your side compartment closed and nice and safe. So that's thing 1 I love about this trailer. Thing 2 I love about this trailer, it comes in under 5,000 pounds, actually 4,866 pounds, which makes it very towable. And we love that. You want to get out and tow this with a light truck, perhaps a Jeep, something with that V6 capacity, you're going to be able to tow this one. And with a slide, it's a nice feature to have that much weight, to be able to tow it and still get that extra space, but we'll see that when we get inside. Thing 3 I love about this trailer, Grand Design has included a solar package in this one. So you see right there your solar charge controller. You've got a single solar panel on the roof, room to expand that to a second one if you'd like to. That'll help run your 12-volt fridge and some of your lighter use electrical devices on the inside of the trailer, which is a nice feature. You want to pull over to the side of the road and be able to use your stuff. You've got the solar converter kit all set up and ready to go. So let's step back and take a look at the trailer. We've got this one inside today. Not gonna lie to you folks, it's kind of windy out, so we decided to do a video inside. There's the trailer in all its glory. This one's all set up and stretched out. Let's take a step back here. We've got the awning out on this one. We've got the nice light strip there. We've got the outside marine grade speakers on this one as well. So again, the 2022 Grand Design Imagine 17 MKE. Let's take a look inside, where we will find thing 4 I love about this trailer, which is for a trailer that comes in at 20 feet, a very large kitchen. Look at the size of it. All kinds of counter space, high-rise faucets, stainless steel sink, 3-burner cooktop. You've got a little oven underneath here, loads of storage underneath, and some more corner stuff here. You can set up your coffee station back here, store a few things back there, put a couple of cupboards. With the cupboards, that is, you can get everything you need in the kitchen. So you've got a nice storage space, all kinds of room to prep, and look at all the floor space you still have left over. And you take a really good look at this floor plan. Perfect for a couple on the go. You've got the Murphy bed layout in this one, nice comfortable couch. The Murphy bed is up inside. That'll fold down. Come on in and we'll show you that one. You want to see how it converts into a bed. You've got storage on either side of it, all kinds of cupboards and drawers. You've got a plug down there. Grand Design does a really good job making sure the plugs are all in the right place. And actually, while we're here, just to show you how easy it is, we're gonna flip this Murphy bed right out and give you a good view of your bed. So just like that, presto changeo, you've got yourself a Murphy bed, a couple lights there, a little storage above, and the opportunity to charge your devices with these little cubby holes on either side. Store your things you want to have at your bedside. 2 USB charging ports, a couple plugs, and the same thing repeats itself over here. Over top of the bed, you've got a couple of night lights. Those are both blue and white. You can set those for reading or for mood, and you've got a padded headboard for your safety as well. Let's take a look around here. Well, we get to our 5th thing about this trailer, which is not the bathroom in this case, but we want to take a look at the bathroom. Got a closet there, medicine cabinet, nice sink, and a good sized shower. I mean, this is a really good sized shower for a 17-foot, 20-foot trailer. It's a 17-foot inside floor plan. Really nice. Thing 5 though I love about this trailer, and we don't talk about this enough with the Grand Design stuff, is you've got the Compass Connect system. So you get to where you're going, drop your jacks, and you're going to be able to set up, put your slide out, put your awning out, all with an app on your phone, which is really cool. You can do real-time diagnostics, you can check your battery, you can check your leveling issues. All of those things, when available on these different Imagine trailers, You'll be able to do most of the stuff that you normally do from the inside, from the comfort of your chair on the outside using your app, which is a fantastic feature to have. Again, you can put your awning out, put your slides out, turn your inside and outside lights on and off with it. The Compass Connect system, Grand Design has put that in this Imagine trailer. It's really fun to be able to just get to the campground, sit back, open up your app, and do everything you need to get ready to camp. So this has been a look at the 2022 17 MKE. Again, 5 things I love about this trailer: the weight, the convenience station, that nice solar feature, the large kitchen, and the Compass Connect system. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales. Quispamsis and Moncton, 2 locations to serve you best. Our friends up in Moncton would love to see you at their new dealership, and we've got all kinds of units down here in Quispamsis to show you as well. Hope to see you soon. Get you out camping for the May long weekend.